it seems like I don't do a whole lot of stuff, right? And there's always nice weather. As soon as I want to go do something, the weather hates me. I don't know what it is, man. We're gonna come back here tomorrow. We just wanted to get a couple hits in tonight, see what the truck's gonna do, so we have a dial in for tomorrow. I'm not sure how many runs we're gonna get tomorrow, if any practice runs. I think it might be just right off the trailer, kind of run what you brung. But we're gonna be in the 14.0 class. That truck's gonna be real close. I think it's been 14.2s, 14.3s before. So I brought another carburetor, Holley carburetor, just to see if we can get it to go a little faster. Rain. I know we need the shit, but not right now. Fuck, rain tomorrow, man. What's wrong? You ain't Colson?
I don't think it's gonna quit.
You don't? What an asshole. What a prick. I'm sitting here like, yeah, we got another hour. Yeah, there's the... Don't forget to get that computer with the Howard Wolf on it. Represent. All right. Water's in that cooler back there. All right, thanks, man. Appreciate that. Jimmy, say hi. 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 Hey, Bob, how'd our back been doing, brother? Oh, you know, same old, same old. Same old, same old. Getting that truck together? Yeah. Tell me about your car, man.
You know, it's a 1963 Chev. Took about 8 years to build it. And got it after we went through some shit and had all my best friends just help me out, man. It's a fun little street car. I do a lot of bracket racing with it.
Yeah, and your whole family's out here, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There's about 13 of us that race. Me, my twin brother, my dad, my brother, sister-in-law, all kind of
uncles, cousins,
everybody.
Seems like every one of your family members has a race car.
Right.
That is pretty funny.
You ain't my friend if you ain't into a car.
I know, right? 1422. It picked up a couple hundreds, that's about it. We've had nothing but trouble. Change carburetor, change squirter. Things, we found a gasket leak under the carburetor, got it figured out. Cole was able to give us some washers, kind of a power stroke. And we're just gonna go for it. It's time to run. From the hip. Yeah, we're shooting from the hip. Ran 1422 both times. It picked up 400s on the last pass. So we're gonna hopefully, I think it's gonna pick up a lot this time if it goes. So hopefully it doesn't. Kind of. Hope it does, but I hope it doesn't.
It'll keep you.
I think it's running really fat now because we found a vacuum leak, and I had already fattened the carburetor up, not knowing there was a vacuum leak. So now we're we don't have enough time to change anything. So I'm literally in the staging lanes right now. We're like second ones up. And I'm messing with the carburetor trying to get it to do something.
She's gonna fly.
Good luck, buddy.
We got this.
Sorry, I fucked this up. I'm not a crew chief. But on the other hand, look at this bad motherfucker right here.
Yeah, boy.
Dude, this truck fucking bad.
428 Cobra trip.
Come on, baby. Pick up a 10th or two. Roll in, son. Roll in, son. There you go. Come on, baby. Oh! Yeah!
I tried to. I sandbagged the fuck out of it. I knew it was on a pass.
I wonder what went around if you just held it wide open.
Probably a 1350.
Holy shit!
It went 1396, and I fucking I was
a
like
lot.
trying to get on the brakes, fucking slow down. I was like, this
Dude,
guy's
I'm telling you,
nowhere.
I knew Holly was where it was at, dude. I
I
knew
was
it.
like, he's nowhere.
I was like, go truck, go truck.
I was
You
just
left
like,
that fucking
I
motor.
see that fucking
were killing that
sign, I'm
Mustang.
like, slow down.
Go buy back. How much is it? Well, we lost, but the truck went faster than it ever did, and he was messing with the Mustang, trying to run a 14.0 dial. So the truck's got a lot left in it now. We figured out some problems. The truck's really, really fat. All right, so we had to buy back in. We're gonna make one more hit, see what happens. Don't know how it's gonna go. The truck is really, really fat. I still need to take some jets out of it, but we didn't know how much time we were gonna have, so I decided not to even touch it. Too much. Yeah! We got one. Dude, you let out way too soon. I was panicking. Oh god, I was scared. I thought you let out way too soon, and then I seen it slow down, and I was like, oh shit.
I was watching my my little buddy in the other
Your competitor?
Oh yeah.
Oh dude, because I was like, oh man.
I wasn't gonna let him come back.
We gotta win. It might be the only one, that's fine.
That's all right.
We're having
We're
fun.
having fun now.
Yeah.
We got it figured out.
Since the truck went down around that 13.96 or whatever, I've been having fun since then. Before that, I was a little panicked. Just trying to get the truck down.
We got this
All day's been fun,
index
except for the
race
rain.
figured out.
Yeah. Now I want to bracket race more. It's not good. But anyway, we're having fun. That was cool.
Way cool.
And it leaves hard, dude. It leaves really fucking hard. It sounds different. It sounds mean.
Oh yeah. It sounds completely different than
It's got a bunch of more air. It's like, oh yeah.
You can breathe.
Yeah, it's not pulling it through a straw anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was cool, man. Good job, brother. Good job.
man.
Good job. Good job.
I appreciate you being here with me.
Hey, good job, homie. You doing? Making rounds.
Yeah, going some rounds, trying to, bro.
That's what it's about, right?
Trying to.
Fuck yeah, dude. What's that?
Live the life, love the sport.
Fuck yeah.
And I'm
So,
sure it has
Sounds like we just got the by some miracle,
So they're getting
into the next round. So we're gonna run the truck, see what it'll do. Come on, baby. 1364. Woo! 6/10 faster than that truck. That's by. Truck went 1364.
6, baby.
Fastest truck's ever been. It's super fat. We need to pull jet out of it, but I don't want to fuck with it right now. So we're gonna keep going. Yeah, look at the sunset. All right, heading up for the semifinals. Hopefully we can pull something out of our hat. We're doing good so far, but I don't know what to say at this point. We're just having fun. That's all we're up here for anyway, so here we go. Finals tonight. We fought everything on this fucking thing. What a fucking fun night.
Without you, buddy.
And what's cool is Timmy Creek's still in. I think Stephen Umberton is still in. All of our friends are still in, including us. So
Killing it.
yeah, we're killing it tonight. This is a fucking cool, fun night. A lot of energy.
Way fun.
A lot of energy tonight. This is awesome. Yeah, it's lightning behind us and stuff. Freaking awesome. Can't believe it. Finals.
Final round.
My buddy Steven, he's in the finals. Not against us, thank God. Yeah. We made it. We already made it. I already claimed victory. Yeah.
Strong.
Just go out there and have fun, dude. That's all you gotta do. Don't be nervous. Just have fun, dude. That's all it's about.
That's all we're here for.
Hell yeah. Yeah, look at that baby. I just want to say I'm sorry if this video's not the best, guys. I don't have anybody to film us. I don't have a camera guy. My GoPro died. Doing everything on my phone. That's all right. We're in the finals. Here we come. He's on his way up. Nice burnout. Perfect burnout. Perfect burnout. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah! We did it. I can't believe it. I'm so pumped. We did it. We did it, man. Our first time out together. We got the win. And that truck is not running the best. It's way too fat. Carburetor's still just a little messed up, but that's all right. I know it ain't much, but it's awesome, and we won. Number one tonight, baby, in our class anyways. You won 2 of them, huh?
Well,
2 classes?
split 1-1-1.
Oh, that's all right. That's winning both of them to my.
That's all right.
That's been winning both of them to me.
Yeah, right?
We won ours. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, man. Hell yeah. That's awesome, dude. Good job.
All right, go stand over there.
Good job, man. Good job. Go stand with him,
Come on
yeah.
in, Aaron.
Go stand with him.
You're friends, you guys can be in the same. Is it backwards?
Other way. There you go, right there.
can't see it.
Yeah. Good job, guys. Good job, man. American flag in the background. It's a beautiful thing, baby. We're all friends too. That's what the best part of it is.
Hey, don't be scratching the roof.
Right.
We all grew up together. Fuck that roof.
Just space.
Yeah. Yeah. That's awesome, man. Good job, man. Good job, Dusty. Getting shit done on that.
Drive my shit.
Put number 1 up, son. Number 1.
Hell yeah.
Okay.